welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys 3 air fryer recipes that they can be served as a side dish, appetizer, or even snack. Football season just started and we all know finger food is just everyone's favorite, and I feel like even if you're not like a sport person or if you don't like football, you can still enjoy snacks on a Sunday game when everyone is over. So in this video I'm sharing with you guys 3 recipes that you can have in your back pocket for this season. I really hope you enjoy them. Before we get started, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, hit that thumbs up, and with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Starting with my Parmesan Lemon Fried cauliflower. This is truly the perfect side dish, great for low carb diets, and it can be served with almost any main dish like fish or steak or even chicken. Now let me run you through all the ingredients that we're going to need to make this recipe. Here I have my cauliflower all ready to go. I removed all of the large leaves. My son loves to snack on them like celery. And then with my knife I cut around the core to remove it. And then with my fingers I was able to snap off all the florets. And depending on what size you want them, you can cut each one in half or quarters. Then you're gonna have to wash them and dry them really good. Next, we need some Parmesan cheese. I like to grate my own, but if you have the kind that already grated, you can use that as well. And you need the zest and juice of 1 lemon. We might not need all of it, but just in case. You need olive oil, fresh parsley, salt, and pepper. And of course you need your air fryer. I'm using my Instant Pot Dual Crisp air fryer, but you can use whatever one you have. Now to my cauliflower, I'm adding olive oil, pinch of salt, and black pepper. Toss until all coated. Then I'm going to transfer them to my basket. Set your air fryer to 400 Fahrenheit degrees, and you're going to set the time for 15 minutes. While that's happening, I'm going to work on my Parmesan lemon sauce. So I'm going to grate my Parmesan cheese. I'm using my box grater to do that. And now I'm zesting my lemon. I love that flavor lemon zest adds to any dish. It can do amazing things to food and take any dish to the next level. And you really don't need a lot of it. Little goes a long way. For this dish, I believe you only need like 1 teaspoon. I might add more just because I love citrus, but make sure you wash your lemon before you zest it, so all you're adding to your food is bright, zesty flavor and nothing else. Now my machine, sometimes it beep halfway through to turn the food, but a lot of time it beep like right now on only 3 minutes left. Just make sure when your machine beep, remove the lid, turn the food, give everything a good toss, then put the lid back on and let it finish cooking. Next, I'm going to chop up some parsley. You can use different herbs if you want, or different spices. You really can't go wrong with this dish. Italian seasoning, cilantro goes well with this dish, so just use whatever you have on hand. Now to the same bowl, I'm going to transfer my cauliflower. After they're done, I'm going to make my sauce. So for that you need a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. You need salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Make sure to mix all that together very well, and when the cauliflower is done cooking, remove the basket and add it right on the top of the sauce. The hot cauliflower is going to melt the cheese down and wake all that flavors up. It smells amazing right away. This is my favorite way to cook the cauliflower right now. It is so delicious and yummy. Everyone in my family loves it, and every time I make this dish, we never ever have any left over. Next up, I'm going to show you guys the best, easiest way to make French fries in the air fryer. And I guarantee you, if you follow this exact recipe to get extra crispy and crunchy French fries that taste just like your favorite restaurant, but even better because they are healthier and you can feel good about eating them and serving them to your family. And the best part, we only need 3 ingredients. You need your potato, salt, and oil. I'm using russet potatoes because they just give me a classic French fry flavor. You can leave the skin on, just be sure to wash it. I usually do that, but today I was a little too lazy to scrub my potatoes, so I did peel the skin off. And next I'm going to chop my potatoes. I usually start by placing each potato on side, cut thin slices, and then I cut the slices into fries. After I finish cutting all my potatoes, I like to wash them really good with water until the water runs mostly clear. Then I like to soak my potatoes a little bit before I cook them. So I cover the potatoes with water, I add about 1 tablespoon of salt, and I let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This step is very important because it helps remove some of the starch, which will help them crisp up better. After 30 minutes, you're ready to cook your fries. So I really make sure my fries are very dry. I pat them dry with paper towel because wet fries equals soggy fries. Now toss your potatoes with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Add the fries to the basket. Make sure you preheat your air fryer first, and you're going to cook them on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to turn the temperature to 400 for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remember to give your fries a really good shake and then replace your basket back inside of your air fryer, and don't forget to increase your temperature to 400 for another 15 minutes. After my fries are done cooking, I like to sprinkle a little bit of salt on top, shake it well, and there you have it. These fries make a super fun snack or appetizer. You can dress them up with fresh herbs like chili powder, garlic powder, or onion powder, and of course they are also a great side dish. And now for the last recipe I have for you guys, we're going to do fried chicken wings. Now fried chicken anything are delicious, but they make a big mess. These air fried chicken wings are super easy, and they are just as crunchy as the oil fried kind. You're gonna be hooked. So let's get started. Let me show you what I'm gonna do first. This is the package that I usually get from my grocery store, and it makes a small batch, like 10 pieces, which is perfect for my family. We're only a family of 3. So I really do like to wash my wings or any chicken really before I cook them. So wash them really good, drain the water, and lay the wings in single layer and pat them dry with a paper towel on both sides. And then you're gonna have to place the wings in a bowl so we can add some olive oil, sprinkle of salt, and some black pepper. Now transfer your wings to the preheated air fryer, and for all around the crispy wings, it is best to keep the wings in a single layer, and you're gonna set your air fryer at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 minutes. Make sure you flip your wings halfway through. At 12 minutes my air fryer actually beeped this time, but just keep an eye on it just in case. Now once the time is up, you're going to flip the wings one last time, and you can see here they are golden brown, but to get them extra crispy, turn the heat up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for another 6 minutes. As you can see, the wings are super crispy and mouth-watering at this point. You can simply serve your wings as is or toss them in your favorite sauce, which is what I did today. These air fried chicken wings are some of the crispiest, juiciest wings I've had outside a restaurant. I think because of the way are cooked, I twice cook them, first at a lower temperature to render out the fat from the skin, and then at a high temperature to crisp the skin. But even with the 2 rounds in the air fryer, these wings are ready in under an hour from start to finish. Okay guys, so these are some of my crowd-pleasing snacks that will have you feeling like you just scored the game-winning touchdown. I really hope you give them a try, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and consider subscribing before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!